Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at some amazing medical clips. Stick around because we'll have details about this dilated pore in a moment. First off, we have this supernumerary digit. The condition is called polydactyly. This anomaly of the hand is often associated with other birth defects and usually removed very easily. Next up is a series of images of rhinoplasty. These before and after photos show the incredible results of a nose job. For you popping fans, here's a simple pop near the navel. This appears to be infected. For anyone interested in cyst images, this is an extracranial cyst. Take a look at this dilated pore of Weiner as well. Now back to our original dilated pore, which will be popped by Dr. Sandra Lee on her TV show. We can't show you the video out of respect for her copyright, but once we have a link, we'll put it below so you can check it out. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.